This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, I am about to undertake a whole cross-country road trip, and by the time this is premiering, I'm gonna already be there. But I think it is so amazing that this collection is called House of Life. First of all, a huge thank you to Madam Glam for sending over these gorgeous polishes. I am madly in love. So the colors I selected were Inner Peace, which is the most stunning bubblegum pink. It is out of this world. I had to turn the flash on for this bad boy. Look at that. That pink is so darling. I literally looked at my manicure and I'm like, I wish I had waited. But that's okay, because there's always a glam makeover for another day. So next up is Mama Bear, which first of all, the name hit me in all of the feels. And I had to put a little Mama Bear in the corner there because that just melted my soul. This is such a stunning creamy blue. It reminds me of a night sky, and it's definitely the hug from your mama. This is so beautiful. You know when it's night, but it's like there's like a twilight and there's still a soft blue glow, and it's before it gets pitch black. This is definitely a twilight blue. It is so stunning. Next up, we have Crystal Ball. And honestly, the names of this entire collection stole my heart. It was so hard to select colors because every single one of them is outstanding. Y'all, May 1st is today. Before this collection sells out, I urge you, run over to madamglam.com and grab yourself some of the most delicious spring summer colors. This mint green, whoo, she stole my heart. Oh my days. And all of this is their cream formula, and it is between 4 to 5 bottle opacity. And when we talk about 5 bottle opacity, it's this one, Fanta Orange. It is so bright, so beautiful. It's like a highlighter orange, and it's called Taurus Season. This is one for the books. If you don't get any other color, you need to grab this. It reminds me like I'm on a trip to Mexico, and just all of the warm breeze, and this orange is so beautiful that I just can't wait to do all of the manis. Madam Glam, for House of Life, you went over and above. Like, these colors are so beautiful. And as you see, with only one thin coat, you already get insane coverage. But for best coverage, I like to do 2 thin coats. A huge shout out to my representative, Karina. Thank you so much, honey, for sending this out early so I was able to film this before the move. I can't thank you enough, honey. And I also think it's so amazing that this collection is called House of Life, because life is filled with so many, goodbyes, new beginnings, fresh starts. Just, life is just so beautiful, and to celebrate that with this collection is everything. So, Madam Glam, this would not be an introductory video without me being able to go through their gorgeous write-up. So it says, House of Life Collection. Life is energy, and as such, it belongs to all, reaches all, and blesses all. So this collection has 8 soak-off gorgeous vegan gels named Taurus Season, Spirit Guide, which was so hard for me not to get. I am so into supernatural stuff. I had to rein it in though. We got Prosperity, Mama Bear, Inner Peace, Healing Glam, Crystal Ball, and Guardian Angel. I can't tell you how powerful those names are. And when we're talking about life and everything that life brings, these names hit home. Literally. House of Life. So it says, these are energies of growth and transformation at play in your life right now. And that you are being called to step into power and embrace your fullest potential. Oh my gosh, Madam Glam, you're going to make me cry. Especially because I'm undergoing a cross-country adventure, and oh gosh, you guys, you're hitting me in all of the feels. So it says, it's time to get transported to a new mystical realm where tarot cards come to life and magic is in the air. With the House of Life collection, a journey into the unknown. Oh my gosh, Madam Glam, I gotta stop. Did you write this for me? Honestly, we're on a new beginning, and there is unknown, and it's also so exciting though. And just speaking about our connections and just embracing our power and our fullest potential. Madam Glam, you've thought of everything with this. So it says, a journey into the unknown, a celebration of feminine spirit, and a reminder of the power that resides within all of us. From the bright and soothing shades to the fiery and passionate hues, this collection is a celebration of the different facets of life that make us who we are. And I wouldn't be the same without all of the beautiful humans that have blessed my life. I say we are a combination of everyone we meet in this world, and I am forever changed and blessed by those connections. Madam Glam, you have went all out with this one. So I used Creation, which was from the Easter egg, and went right into like a leopard design, just using their dotting tool. I modeled all of the colors, and then we'll just kind of did little splashes. And then we're just going in with their black gel paint and a Nicole J brush. So I didn't mean to not explain what I was doing over here, but I did want to do a live demonstration with these stunning colors, and also showing you when you're using that dotting tool, the opacity is so beautiful that one coat and you're good. So I just wanted to reiterate for anybody that might be happening upon this video that is not aware of Madam Glam. First of all, we've got discounts, y'all, discount codes. So those will be left in the description box below. And all of their polish is vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, and palm oil free formula. This is a company that is making sure that they are using sustainable ingredients, that they're having as low impact on the environment as possible. And that is just truly a company I can stand behind. So they said, let the new arrivals be your guide as you embark on a journey of self-discovery and exploration. Allow the colors to inspire you, the magic to mesmerize you, and the tarots to guide you. With our infinite shine, high coverage formula, painting your nails will be a tribute to the enchantment that surrounds us and the strength that lies within us. Whew, yes, I have never read one of these write-ups with this feeling in my heart. Like, every time I read them, they hit me. But this one, especially with us moving, it felt like it was written for me. I know it was written for all of us because, again, it talks about our connections and our strength and our power. And I can't get over how gorgeous this write-up is for this House of Life. Oh my days, Madam Glam, you have done it again, bringing forth the most gorgeous, yummy shades in a collection that truly speaks to the heart. Now, as we're closing out the unboxing and swatching, please make sure you have not only hit that subscription button if you haven't already, but you put the notification bell on so you don't miss the future sets and gorgeous content that's going to come out with these beautiful colors. Madam Glam also said, for a pro tip, that we believe that beauty is not just skin deep, it's a reflection of the soul. Tap into your inner magic and embrace your true self with divine creations like ombres, skittles, French twists, magical elements, quirky lines, or keep it simple and classy to accentuate the power and the powerful energy within you. Madam Glam, thank you so much. Your team has been cooking up pure magic. Thank you for sharing this House of Life collection with us. Because in all facets of life, Oh my goodness, there is not only our friends and family, but Madam Glam's got your back and your fingertips. Thank you so very much for coming into this video, and I just pray that it found you so well. And I cannot wait to see you in the next one, because y'all, we're gonna be in my new studio. We are gonna be in British Columbia, and I'm sure by this moment you guys have seen different shorts or different vlogs, because I'm gonna be sharing this cross-country trip with you, my beautiful nail family, because every journey, especially since I've come into this beautiful community, sorry, I'm so excited, this beautiful community has been with you, so I can't wait to share that as well. Don't forget to do all things with love, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Mwah.